What is up, guys? Welcome to this week's episode of HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and today we'll be going over the Blue Lagoon. It's believed that the Blue Lagoon was created by Andy McElhone, who is the son of the famous bartender Harry McElhone, back in the 1960s at Harry's New York Bar in Paris, France. Yes, if you're wondering why a bar is called Harry's New York Bar is located in Paris, France, I was wondering the same thing. So basically, long story short, the bar used to be located in New York back in the 1910s, and then like a few years later, like maybe early 1920s, it got relocated to Paris, but they kept the same name regardless. Harry McElhone created numerous legendary cocktails such as the Sidecar, the Boulevardier, the Bloody Mary.
How is it?
Good.
It looks like you're enjoying yourself.
And he even published his own book in 1930 called Harry's ABC of Mixing Cocktails. However, with all that being said, it is actually his son, Andy, who was credited with creating the Blue Lagoon cocktail. Once his father, Harry, passed in 1958, Andy went on to run the bar himself from 1958 all the way up to 1989. With that brief history lesson out of the way, now let's get down to actually making the drink. Now, first things first, you want to start off by adding crushed ice to your hurricane glass. And you would normally make crushed ice by using what is called a Lewis bag. And a Lewis bag is just a canvas bag like this and a wooden mallet. So you just fill the bag with ice and then, obviously crush it up with the mallet. As of this recording, it is now 2 in the morning, and I do live in an apartment, so I do not want to make such a loud ruckus just to make a drink.
What was that ruckus?
What ruckus?
I was just in my office and I heard a ruckus.
So for now, I'm just going to use regular, cubed ice from the ice machine. After you fill your hurricane glass with ice, then you want to fill your shaker up with ice. Then you want to add an ounce of vodka to your shaker. I'm just using my regular old Sky vodka, as usual. After your vodka, you want to add an ounce of blue Curaçao. Yes, it's Curaçao, not Curaçao or Curaçao or whatever. Curaçao. It's basically just orange liqueur that has blue food coloring in it. No more, no less. You can get a bottle of this for like $7 at your local grocery store, so not expensive whatsoever. After that, then you want to add 6 ounces of lemonade. I'm using Simply lemonade, as that is the best lemonade money can buy. Not actually. After your lemonade, then you want to shake up your ingredients. And then you just want to strain that over your hurricane glass. And once you're done straining, you then want to garnish with a lemon wheel, a maraschino cherry, and you can even do an umbrella if you want to, and I'll do that today. So let's do the maraschino cherry first. Then we're going to go ahead and do the lemon wheel. So I already have a half of a lemon here, so I'm just going to cut the wheel. Then we're going to add an umbrella as well. And then lastly, a straw. And there you have a Blue Lagoon. And now that we have our drink, let's take a sip. Okay, so this is a great summer drink. sitting poolside in your, swimming trunks or a bikini, whatever, and just enjoying the sun, that's what this cocktail is made for. I mean, it even looks the part, with the nice blue tones in it from the blue Curaçao, the little lemon garnish, the umbrella, the maraschino cherry. Everything about it just speaks summer. So it actually might be a tad bit early to drop this video for a Blue Lagoon, but I had to do it. You can even forget the garnishes. You don't need the cherry. You don't need the lemon wheel. You don't need the umbrella. All that extra shit. It just makes it look better. But at its core, you just need the vodka, the lemonade, and the blue Curaçao. And you can get all of that for like less than $20. And you can make tons of these. I think you will be hard pressed to find someone who does not like this drink, whether they've been drinking for years or they just started drinking yesterday. So thank you guys for watching this week's episode. I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.